Good morning, buenos dias. Today I'm making waffles. This is the golden waffle mix. I made it the other day and it came out awesome. But is it the waffle mix or is it the waffle maker? So today I'm trying out this Cuisinart Flip Waffle Maker.
Google said this is the brand that hotels use for their waffles. My niece and my sister slept over, so we're having a lazy day breakfast and decided to do a quick video. I'm teaching my niece how to cook, but she also taught us a few things too. Check out my niece making the batter. I never would have thought to do that. I used this little cup thing so that we could pour it out, but it's pretty tight. But my niece made it work. Now I'm just making a little whipped cream with a cup of heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar, and just whip it until it becomes stiff. Now just grease your waffle plates with some melted butter. And the waffle maker comes with a measuring cup, so you have the perfect amount for your perfect waffles. Now I'm going to try it in the Dash Waffle Maker also to see, is it the waffle maker or is it the waffle mix? Ooh, that looks pretty nice. It looks like a restaurant waffle. I can't wait to try it.
All right, my niece made these waffles. I'm teaching her how to cook. So let's see, let's do the taste test.
11 out of 10.
Great.
10 out of 10.
So this one's better?
Yeah.
Okay, so we recommend the Cuisinart Flip Waffle Maker, and I bought it using my Fetch points. So if you want to know more about Fetch, you could ask me in the comments, and I'll put a little link in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time.
Bye, guys.
Happy cooking.